Okay, welcome to another video. What? Welcome to Uniqlo. Hello, welcome to Uniqlo. Ito na nga. Grabe talaga. Grabe talaga yung week na to. Ang dami kong ginawa. Hindi ko alam kung ano ko na yun. Ang dami kong ginawa. Wala na akong pahinga. Wala na akong pahinga. So, why not de-stress? By making art. Sabi ko, ang tagal ka lang di nagdo-drawing, so I'll just draw. And why not, I'll teach you how to art. Kasi nga, isa akong pro, di nyo alam, ako actually yung anak ni Ben Cab. Kung di halata sa t-shirt na sinusuot ko ngayon, si Rob Boss, andito. In my heart, si Rob Boss. Kaya, gusto nyo ba matuto maging pro sa pag-art? Ha? Madali lang. It's like a few steps. I'll teach you. Transition. Boom, transition. So welcome to the hand cam. Nails are done. Rock and roll. Heart. Anyway, tingnan na pala yung nail. First things first, hindi nyo kailangan ng super expensive items to make great art. Like, hello? All you need is your creativity and resourcefulness. You can use any medium. Just get a piece of paper and a writing utensil. So today, gagamit lang ako ng lumang notebook ko, diba? Resourcefulness and jutay na pencil from Monjol. So first tip is to understand lines and shapes. So ano nga ba yung lines and shapes? Line is defined as points. Anyway, basta, bigyan na lang kita ng example ng line. So, merong straight line, may wavy line, curvy line, zigzag line, tas may telephone line, meron ding eyeliner, and then merong ding underline, tapos meron ding airline. So, yun yung mga types of lines. Ngayon, lines connected together, they can make shapes. So, ito, tatsulok from bamboo. Tapos meron din tayong circles from Post Malone. Tapos may square tayo from Nico Knows. Wala na akong maisip. Tapos aside from that, meron tayong heart, may star, may oblong, may trapezoid, rhombus, whatever. Alam mo na yan, di ka naman batay. Now for the next tip, kumuha lang ako ng work permit. So yun na lang dodrawingan nyo. So this one is form. Objects, they're essentially made up of lines and shapes. Try to draw something using only blocks of shapes and lines. So magdodrawing ako ng pusa. So gumamit ako ng mga circles and triangles. Yan, dalawang malaking circle. Oblong for the feet. Oblong for the arms. Mga curvy lines lang for the tail. So, di ba mukha na siyang cat? Meow, meow. Gumagana na siya. Naririnig nyo na siya nagba-meow, meow. Tapos, another example, yung pag-drawing ng boy. Gamit yung word na boy. Also, yung gagawin natin, bibigyan natin siya ng bangs. Yan. O, di ba mukha siyang boy? Hindi lang boy. Pwede din sa girl. O, di ba girl? Mahaba bangs niya. Kaya yung G, naging bangs yan. Nakakover ng right eye niya. At syempre, inclusive tayo in this society. So, pati bakla, ida-drawing natin. O, di ba? Kita mo na yung B at A. Nagpo-form na siya ng mata. So, obviously, yun yung gagawin natin. And then, bibigyan din natin siya ng bangs. For some reason, trending yung bangs for today's video. Pansin nyo, meron pang L at A na lumulutang dyan. So, gawin natin siyang academic achiever. Binigyan ko siya ng arms. Tapos, sinahawak niya yung test paper niya kung saan nakakuha siya ng A+, kasi ang galing niya, ang talino niya. Tapos, pinapakita niya sa ibang tao, or pinapakita niya sa mga magulang niya. So, proud yung mga magulang niya sa kanya. Pati na din tomboy. So, meron tayong girl boy, bakla, tomboy. So, ulitin lang natin yung face. Gagawin din natin sa word na boy. Ngayon, meron pang T-O-M. Anong gagawin natin doon? Eddie, yung M, magiging kamay niya na nakasabit siya sa hawakan ng Egypt o ng tren or kung ano mang yan. Kasi, commuter siya. Commuter si tomboy. So, that's form. Ngayon, kumuha ko na ng research paper namin para drawingan ko. So, the next step is composition. Composition is pagtatalo. Joke! A composition takes in consideration every single element in your art piece. Kunwari, mag-drawing ako ng Among Us, tapos gusto ko ng mansanas, nag-drawing ako dyan. nagdrawing din ako ng palaka, and nagdrawing ako ng sun. Ngayon, pansin nyo, there's not a particular focus on a subject. It's like they carry balanced or equal focus kasi they're placed equally and they're the same size. What if gusto nating ipafocus si Among Us? So, lalagay natin si Among Us sa gitna and let's keep the other elements at the corners. Ngayon, your eyes are more drawn into the Among Us kasi nasa gitna siya and it's also larger. And another way is to use negative space. So nagdrawing tayo dyan ng Among Us na nasa hill. So, makikita natin there's a lot of detail on the hill or the lower side of the frame. The negative space, which is the sky, kind of frames the Among Us. Gumagamit din tayo ng rules of third, di Ravenna. So, magdrawing lang kayo ng lines dyan. Now, if you place a subject along these lines, doon titingin yung viewer. Diba? Right? So, that's composition for you. So, the next tip, nagdrawing lang ako sa tissue ng Team Hoan. The next tip would be color, pero wala akong coloring materials. So, light and shadow na lang. Ayan, magdrawing tayo ng Among Us. So, it's a flat image. Okay? Simple lines, flat image. There's no definition. Kung gusto nyo magka-dramatic lighting or gusto nyo mag-add ng more detail, lagyan natin ng gleam yung kanyang goggles. And then, maglagay tayo ng light source from the upper left nang gagaling. So, yan, i-shade mo yung sa ilalim ng paa niya, yung backpack sa likod niya, yung sa ilalim ng goggles niya. And, medyo oily siya for today. So, lagyan natin ng highlight sa noo niya. So, ayan, mas mukha na siyang better, diba? Light and shadow. So, using all of those tips, magdrawing tayo ng masterpiece. Basic shapes and lines, I blocked out the form and structure of a face. Ngayon, I filled it in with more detail using lines and shapes to create the eyes, the nose, the lips, and then yung mukha. Malamang. And then, I used simple lines to create the bangs. And then, nagdrawing na din ako ng Among Us. So, isa siyang Among Us. So, nilagay ko siya sa grass using simple lines lang. Then, using light and shadow, shinade ko na yung parts of their face. Tapos, pinlace ko yung Among Us sa gitna ng frame para mas may focus siya, diba? Composition. Then, nilagyan ko din ng flower. So, meron siyang hawak na flowers. Siguro nag-pick up siya ng flowers or meron siyang lover na gusto niyang bigyan ng flower. Maybe kasi Valentine's na today, ganun. Ewan ko. Tapos, yan. Tapos na, honestly. And then, maybe write a title. So, binigyan ko siya ng pamagat na Among Us on the Grass. Among Us on the Grass, diba? Bars, kinda. And then, pirmahan nyo with your sign. Kasi kapag namatay na ako at doon pa lang ako magiging famous na artist, magiging mas mahal yung value ng artwork kasi meron signature ko. Tapos focus sa detail. Anit reveal muna. Anit reveal. Oh my God, ba't ganyan yung ano ko? Ba't kita yung anit ko? Kinakalbo na ako. Anyway, so yun. Yun na yun. Thanks. So that's it for the art class. I hope you learned something. Syempre you'll learn something kasi sobrang pro ko. Hello. But you don't have to follow these. You don't have to follow these because art is...
Enemy spotted.
Because art shouldn't be defined. It's subjective, it's personal, it's special. So just draw. You know what I mean. Magsimula ka na. Okay? Okay. Okay. Bye.